In a small village, two very different lives share the same summer. One is Raymond, a man with big dreams but no action. The other is Ant, small but full of discipline. Today, they will show us two choices: rest without effort or work with wisdom.
Why do you run so much, little ant? The sun is warm, the days are long. I have many plans, but I will start tomorrow. Today I just want to enjoy and sleep.
Raymond, you laugh at me, but winter is coming. Every seed I carry today is hope for tomorrow. Work now is not punishment, it is care for the future.
Days pass, and summer feels endless. Raymond spends his time sleeping, dreaming of a big future. But dreams without action are like seeds left on the ground. They never grow. Ant, however, continues her work, step by step, grain by grain.
Look at you, little ant. You run all day. You never stop. Why waste your life like that? Freedom is to rest when you want, not to carry leaves on your back. I have time. Tomorrow will always be there.
Raymond, you see my work as chains, but for me it is freedom. When winter comes, I will not fear hunger or cold. My rest will be safe because it will be earned. Tomorrow is not a gift. It is built today.
The summer ended and the sky turned gray. Cold winds came and the fields gave no food. Raymond's house was empty, his stomach cried of hunger. But under the ground, Ant's home was full of seeds and warmth. The difference between them was clear.
Oh no, the nights are long, the cold is hard, and I have nothing. I waited and waited, but tomorrow never came. Now I see my mistake. I laughed at Ant, but I am the one suffering.
Raymond, the winter always arrives. I tried to show you, but you chose to sleep. Still, even the smallest effort can change a life. Learn from this cold, and maybe spring will be different for you.
Winter teaches the truth that summer hides. Raymond lost his comfort because he trusted in tomorrow. Ant kept her peace because she worked today. Life is not built in dreams, but in small steps taken every day.
Owl, Ant, I understand now. I wanted an easy life, but I only made it harder. I don't want to waste another season waiting for tomorrow. I will change, even if it is slow, even if it is hard.
Raymond, it is never too late to start. The spring will come again, and if you work, you will harvest too. Learn from this winter. Effort is not your enemy. Laziness is.
Listen, dear friends. Raymond's hunger and Ant's abundance are not about luck, but about choices. Every day we plant seeds of laziness or of effort. Winter only shows what summer prepared. And now it's your turn. Think carefully and write your answers in the comment. Why was Raymond hungry in the winter? What did Ant do during the summer? What lessons should we learn from this story? Good luck with your answers, and keep practicing your English every day.